what else are we missing? I think what we're missing is a character set, and I could live without one. I'll show you how. What I want to do is I want to make sure that whenever I'm animating or creating a key pose, whenever I'm creating key pose, I want all of my controls to have a key. That means I have to select it one by one every single time. Alright, for this, we're going to use our script editor and we're going to create a simple shelf with a button on it that basically selects all the controls on our rig. To do that, I already have one here, mind you, but I'm gonna start from scratch and show you how. You go to the this icon here at the very end of the shelf, which is the menu to choose new shelf. So pick new shelf from the options, and Maya will ask what is the name of the new shelf. I will call it buttons and hit OK. Now we have the buttons shelf at the very top here. Here's where I will create my first mouse script button. Let's go to Windows and General Editors. Go down here to the script editor. Right, we see a bunch of stuff in here. Basically, whatever you do in Maya, the command will show up here in the inputs. So what I want to do is I want to go to Edit and Clear All. So there's nothing here in the history anymore. Now, for my first command, I want to simply select an empty area here. My first command shows up, which is select clear. I would want that to happen first. After I clear my selection, I will select things one by one. Alright, so I'm gonna hit Ctrl Shift and select my first control, which is the square root control. I'll select these guys here while still holding Ctrl Shift. And before I forget, I'm gonna press 4, and there is another control at the very bottom here that might be useful later on. It's a square bottom control. Sweet, hit 5 again. So we go step by step. We want the upper jaw, the lower jaw. We want these two controls here at the side. That kind of controls the smile, the mouth shape. We want these two controls that controls the ears. And we'll go down to the tails. This guy, which is tail 1 control. That guy, tail 2 control. Remember, you have to select one by one. Tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6, tail 7. Alright, sweet. I think I've got all of it. And that's my whole list of all the commands that I executed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to select all of this and bring it down to the bottom part here. And I'm going to select all by hitting Ctrl A again and dragging everything up to the empty shelf that I have here and let go. Maya will ask, what do you want to save it as? So I'll say MEL because I've been scripting in MEL earlier. So hit MEL there and my new button is there. I can close the script editor now and probably give it a try. So I'm going to hit that button and see whether everything is selected. I can see that everything is selected and the script is working perfectly. And therefore, I have my first button. You might want to label your buttons here. So I'll go and hit the menu icon here. Sorry. We'll go to Shelf Editor. And under the shelf buttons, the first command, you want to put a label to it. And I'll give the name of SQR as the label. You see SQR is shown here and save all shelves. Sweet, we have our first button, mouse script button created. Right,